Hi, everybody. Welcome. It is day 23 of Treasure Trovember. I hope you are having a blast. I am enjoying seeing the work that you're making this month. And if you are new, it's an easy challenge to catch up with or to do on your own schedule. If you've just found us today, you can go ahead and start on day one. You can catch up or you can just continue on. This is 30 days of adding one prompt a day to a single collage. Now, your collage might look like a hot mess right now, but there are a few things coming up in the final week that might pull it all together. You never know. So today's prompt, day 23, is to add a number. However you'd like to interpret that. Add a number to your collage today, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. Thanks so much for being here.